Okay guys, I got in my Dynacorn cowl assembly in here. I was just going to show you a little comparison. This is the Dynacorn. Came in the Dynacorn box from Dynacorn Depot. It's got the silver weld-through primer. Of course, this one I had earlier. This is the from Muscle Car GT. Both stampings are identical. They look the same. Of course, I can't see any defects, but anyway, of course, one's got the this E-coating, and this is weld-through primer. And now, but this feeling the metal, I mean, it feels a little thicker on this Dynacorn. It's like 1/1000th. It's not very much. See right here. And here's the E-coated one. And anyway, this feels a little thicker. But there it is. I mean, it is weld-through primer, and it's all primed up, ready to go. This E-coating, I guess it's your preference. They both cost the same, but I think the Dynacorn just seems like the metal's just a little bit thicker. I mean, it's going to be, like I said, just a little bit. But anyway, that's my comparison. I gotta use this on my convertible, and then I'll use this other one when I get to this car over here. This is going to be a Shelby Tribute. That's a 65 too. Anyway, just want to share that with you. All right.